Hi folks, this is Carl. Just wanted to show you my latest little setup. It's kind of a Rube Goldberg setup that runs pretty well. This is a Bedini Radiant pulse charger that you can buy from Renaissance Charge through Rick Friedrich. And next to it, on this funky little box that I built that holds everything I need, there's the adapter for the wall that puts out 24 volts to run it. As you can see, it's not plugged in. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm taking 12 volts in, or whatever a solar panel is supplying. That's the 12 volt in cable right there. And that's the amperage I'm drawing, which is about 3 amps at 12 volts. And then I run that into this voltage doubler, a DC voltage doubler, very smooth output, which doubles the voltage and cuts the amperage in half. So I'm running at about 1.5 amps through the Bedini charger, rather than 2.5 amps that normally comes from the adapter. And then I'm charging this 12 amp hour battery. So there you go. Don't do this unless you know that you're voiding your warranty, because you got to open up the Renaissance charger and wire it a little bit differently with the input, which I've done with very heavy wires. So the output from that step up 12 to 24 volt converter is supplying the 24 volt smooth output. And you know, depending on what the solar panel's putting out, anywhere from 18 to 20 volts, it's doubling what that is. So the Radiant Charger is very tolerant for those kind of voltages, and it charges batteries very quickly, and the batteries do have an extended life and maintain a good standing voltage. The batteries do get warm because it's a cap dumping system rather than a radiant charge, but it works very, very well, and I'm happy with it. And I'm going to start using this solar setup instead of the Harbor Freight charge controller, to use the solar panels, to use the Radiant Charger from Renaissance, and charge my deep cycle batteries, which I use to run inverters and then my computer and everything else and my power tools. So there you go. More efficiency from solar panels by using a Bedini Radiant Pulse Charger. Carl Hurst signing off. Take care.